Yeah, guys, we got back from Berbera and look what time it is. We weren't kidding when we left to go be in the sun because there's very little sun. Even our house, like, the sun goes around the back and there's all this shade. It's freezing is all I'm trying to tell you guys, and I don't feel bad saying that anymore. I used to feel guilty because a lot of people out there watching are experiencing extreme cold, but like, trust me, when you're inside a concrete house that doesn't have central heating, it's a little colder than you guys are in here. You guys at least heat mask you're gonna be fine. But anyway, let me not rub it in anymore while I'm standing behind my coconuts complaining about the cold. I'm sorry. It's just, it was a harsh shock when we got back from Berbera like late at night. So that just threw us off. We was like putting all the cocoa butter on, you know? Anyway, I gotta do an inspection on the plants, see if everyone's still alive since we've been gone. And then I'm gonna go fix this guy. We had a huge stemny issue. Stemny is the name of the back tire. Another funny word I like to say a lot because I just think it's really funny. Yeah, we had a flat tire on the road back home, which we had a flat tire on the way back home, which is so sad, but luckily we had our stemny, so that was fixed up. But we got to go into the city, fix our stemny for the next time that this does happen. Stemny is the fifth wheel, the spare tire. Ah, I see a lot of lovely fruits ready for the picking. So let me grab a few of those before we go. Look at that, our orange, our qarbosh tree. We've decided it's a qarbosh. We thought for a long time it was going to be an orange, but mashallah tabarakallah, it's coming along. I'm gonna add one of these to the meal today. Yeah, this one's almost yellowing. I'll go for this. For diesel cars, but we were told turn the key 3 times before you start driving. So anyway, let's go get this car checked out a little bit. I just had to get the car out of the way so I can grab my goodies, inshallah. Here's one, gotcha, and these ones. Oh, these are huge. Yeah, this one's add to the batch, and we'll grab this lemon. This one's been looking nice. Look at that, so big. Only when they start yellowing on the side I want them. Mashallah. Oh my gosh, smells so good. If only you can smell through a video, guys. Goodies, homegrown from the motherland. I think there's a papaya somewhere. Guess what we found instead of a papaya? We got a pomegranate. Mashallah tabarakallah.
This one is also nice. It's like a million seeds. And I don't want the seeds to break the blender.
Okay. Magic ingredient, moringa powder. Some people like to blend it, but I love the pulp. Mashallah, tabarakallah. So what do we have? A pomegranate, passion fruit, lemonade. Mom got stung by a bee today.
Where is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
My poor mom.
Xanuunka baasha. Odayga berigi waa la yaabay uu lahaa iga rid. Maxaa laga ridaa? Mashinada laga ridaa. Sidii waraabo cunayo iga rid leeyahay. Waa runtii hadda waan u garaamayaa xanuunka. Anigaba iga rid ku sigtay maanta.
Sorry, Mom. This is your third bite,
Ah.
and we are 6 months into harvest. So
I hate it, Shirley.
the day we picked them.
jeceshahay ba aniga anytime ay aragto inay jeceshahay ba inay qaninto aniga iyada aragtidaaba naga dhaxaysaba
laakiin malabkaasi it's gonna be delicious inshallah. I hope Hoya can see the day without any more bites. Say malab jeceshahay weliba. You know what? Waa gartid. You want her honey so badly. In yar bay kaa jaqaqsiinaysaa. It's okay.
calaykum salaam khayr wey taayirka da istamniga la deg fur oo meel baa dalooshe this is fine now hadda waa idida ay xanuunkiyo uu bogsaday.
I'm glad. Okay. Spending the rest of our afternoon doing some tomato chopping. We got quite a few more from the farm just now. So let's put that red and green. We'll add them together. Put them in a bag in a freezer. So yeah, we were washing with some baking soda, which is in here. This water has baking soda, so I'll wash them. Then I'll rinse them in here and prepare them for Mom to just take and chop. That's our washing station. We got an assembly line and an extra set of hands. So I'm just gonna do the bagging. Wow. People always ask why we use green tomatoes. Why we pick them before they're ripe.
aan kuu sheego
No,
dhanaan buu leeyahay dherigu dhanaan geliyaa macaan dhanaan buu samaynayaa sida xamarta kale.
amazing. So Mom said it makes a really tart, sour taste when you're cooking. So you might as well just add it in. It's like tamarind, she said. Okay, back to washing. Do you know how beautiful? Look at her.
You can put it in a jar and take it to your farm.
First, I need to help her. She doesn't know how to swim. Okay.
Wow.
Isn't she beautiful? Subhanallah. You want to hold it, Salma?
Oh, she's cute.
Isn't she cute? She's as cute as our tomatoes.
Someplace in America waa la soo gataa lacag baa laga bixiyaa.
Yes.
Waa beneficial insects. Good for the tomatoes.
Natural pesticide. We're definitely taking her to the farm if she survives her swimming lessons. All done. Got a bunch here, another tray here, and this whole pot full, ready to go in the freezer. Let's go get our treats. Fresh. That's what I came for. It's a bag of Danishes, 4 Danishes, 1 donut, and a bag of bread for $3. Doesn't get any better than that. We gotta pick up our tire, Mom. I just remembered. Got my sugar rush for the day. Got my coat on because it's freezing, like I said. And alhamdulillah. The tire itself is only $15. But every time I watch them do this, oh my god, I'm mind blown. Obviously, there's machines to do this. I wonder if putting it in the next tire is any easier than this. You guys thought my day was done with a nice donut. It's still going. They're just little fascinating things in Africa that I enjoy. Are they gonna use their machine, their handmade machine, to put it back in?
I've never seen it, Sammy.
You used to tell me, egg, look what they're doing, look what they're doing.
But I didn't wait enough to watch the whole show.
Start from start to finish? Well, you guys are lucky to see this then.
Yes. My own car.
So this machine here, they made from scratch. It's what they use to take the rim out. Obviously there's fancy shops that have all the equipment, but like, come on. This is Africa. This is the real streets. We live real life. Also, it's like all the way downtown and we're nowhere near. We need this tire now. It's like fear factor. I'm scared he's gonna hit himself. Nice. I learned how to change my first tire here in Africa. Fun fact. That's why I find things like this fascinating. I didn't have the opportunity to learn that out there because things are always done for you and you just pay a lot outrageous amount of money for things that you can do yourself. This is the final struggle. What's amazing is that the tire doesn't get damaged in this whole process. Like in a small little qadah on the street can damage the whole tire. That's what messed us up. هذا ما لك راعيسة.
وكله.
Getting air in the tire and we're good to go.
bedelno uu sii daaya meesha uu ka ragcaday air ka keeno we have to come back and get our money back.
Yeah, well, he did give us a warranty policy. He said, "Hadu chaqiq yaradaba."
Ha
Ana igu soo noqon.